Hai, Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam Aflena Afzan binti Hassan and my fellow friend. Firstly, I want to introduce myself. I'm Nurul Farah Umairah binti Muhammad Rasul, A198070 from PC12. Now, I would like to share to you about the best product recommended by professional dentists. This product is electric toothbrush Swearer T20. Okay, talk about Swearer T20. Actually, Swearer T20 is made on Korean. This product offer price is RM250 only and get 2-year warranty. Also get free gift 3 pieces replacement head brush. Swearer T2.0 use silicone ABS as main material with economical design for comfortable grip. The material is very high quality and the color is not fade, sterilized and comfortable to use. Swearer T2.0 has 5 different modes such as whitening, sensitive teeth, gumming hair, polish and cleaning. This product is very suitable and safe for adult, children and kids over 8 years old. Next, Swearer T20 comes with 4 various option color like pink, light blue, dark blue and black. This product can use maximum 10 hours and can speed up 24,000 brush stroke per minute. Also, this product only needs 1 hour to recharge with microfiber USB. Swearer T20 function is can remove up 3 times more plug of tea, coffee, red wine stain. Why? This product can maximize your brush effectively and easy to use. Swearer T20 also can improve gum health via gentle cleaning action, while for whitening action used for shining smile. Swearer T2.0 also have good battery life. It is because Swearer T2.0 can use maximum 10 to 50 days without recharge. But Swearer T20 have a little weaknesses in aspect USB easy to broke, require careful care and expensive price. Why I recommend you to buy Swearer T20? Okay, it is because actually I have problem with my teeth. Okay, my problem is dental plaque problem, bleeding gum and leftover food stuck. So the dentist recommend I to buy Swearer T2.0 to help my problem and also to resolve my problem. Swearer T2.0 have easy start mode program to help you adjust 5 mode. Like I mentioned just now, this toothbrush have 5 different modes such as whitening, cleaning, polish, gum care and sensitive teeth. I also carry Swearer T2.0 during travel, lunch and dinner, work. It is because Swearer T2.0 is very light and easy to carry to everywhere. In conclusion, I think this electric toothbrush Swearer T2.0 is more effective than manual toothbrush like Colgate, Oral-B, Dali and other brand. It is because Swearer toothbrush can improve your teeth and can help your teeth to recover. That's all about electric toothbrush Swearer T2.0 and thank you for watching. Don't forget to buy Swearer T2.0. Assalamualaikum.